Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel today on this wonderful sunny day. And today, this one and only tremendous Ferrari 488 GTB. And the main topic of today's video is going to be about the spec of the car, the color of the car, and the options of the car. Only the color itself is 30,000 Swiss francs. Like, there's a lot of layers on it and there's a lot of carbon details on it. So without further ado, let's check the whole car around, and then after, let's listen this 3.9 liter V8 bi-turbo engine on the road. Let's go! Alright, so let's check first of all and make the whole tour of this 488 GTB. The color is absolutely insane. Name of it, Giallo, triplo, strato, which is like the yellow triple layers as well on the same way. But like the thing that makes the whole difference, I do love this double strap crossing in the middle. Check this out. On the sun, the car is just shining, absolutely beautiful, with all the black details all around. As you can notice, you do have carbon fiber all over, carbon ceramic brakes, Brembo, as you can see, and the full 20 inches both sides, 20 inches rims, full black. And there is like, I don't know if we can notice it or not. Oh yeah, there it is. You do have like this little Ferrari logo, PPF logo made by Ferrari directly from the factory. This is the detail that makes the difference, that Ferrari themselves made it actually for this 488 GTB. All right, so let's keep going as well. You do have like the full carbon fiber just down right here, and getting also through the intakes to cool the engine, also fully in carbon fiber. All the back as well. And you do have this 3.9 liter V8 red engine, 670 horsepower, that we will just listen it later on. And there it is. The car is like not that much old, and this looks so beautiful. We're also going to talk about the predecessor and the successor of this 488 that we do have currently right here. And all the rear diffuser, there's a lot of carbon fiber as well. Look at that. All the yellow straps added as well on the rear diffuser, and you do have like the F1 brake light as well, and that's really insane. The yellow straps adding more aggressivity to the rear car, and also that's made fully in carbon fiber. And you do have like as well the strap that continues right here in the middle, and that ends right here on the back, which is very beautiful. The inside of the car, there it is. You enter, welcome by Ferrari, also in carbon fiber, and you have the whole interior with the carbon fiber sits on the back. Look how beautiful is that. We don't really see that, but like you have the full carbon fiber on the back. There it is. Look at that. Oh. You can like save some weight on the same way, race to this. Performance seats. Oh wow. American car just passing by. And you have the full Alcantara and leather fully in black with the Ferrari logo on it, and the whole inside has also a lot of carbon fiber on board, especially with the doors as well. That's really beautiful. Wow. The AC, everything is made with Alcantara, with a logo right here, 488 GTB on the passenger side. Alright, so let's start the engine and let's see how this car works on the road. so currently on board of this 4-day date GTB in fully bright yellow that we do have today on this wonderful sunny day actually. And let's hear the noise of this 3.9 liter V8 bi-turbo engine. Let's go. Wow, the brakes are insane, carbon ceramic brakes as well. And the noise of this engine back to you gives you just so much feeling. Wow, 3.9 liter V8, 670 horsepower, 760 Newton meters of torque, 0 to 100 in 3 seconds. 7-speed, double clutch gearbox on the manual pedals. This is absolutely insane. It switched the gear like more quickly and more instantly. That gives you a better joyride, and also on the track this car has to be just insane. It's literally, okay, it's a rear wheel drive, but it's literally just stick on the ground that you can even just play a bit with it, but the car doesn't get out of the road. And this is really, really insane. The car before the 4-day date was the 458 Italia actually, and that one was produced between 2015 and 2019, end of production 2020 actually. And the successor of this car is the Ferrari F8 Triplo with 720 horsepower, which is more aggressive, more power, more faster actually. But now the typical are of Ferrari that made also like part of history is the 458 and the 4-day date that are quite similar, and just a pleasure. You can get this car for daily, for trips as well, everywhere. It's so practical and so easy to steer the car that you can get a pleasure every single time that you drive it, and especially with the engine that you play with the paddles. Alright, so hope that you guys appreciated the vlog, the review. It's not really often that we see the car in yellow. Normally it's like black, silver, white is not too bad, but like yellow, it's so rare that you have to enjoy it and you cannot miss the car while driving. So yeah guys, hope that you really appreciated the vlog. Don't forget to leave a like, hit the subscribe button,